Manipur joins the nation in observing 70th Raising Day of Territorial Army today. Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren applauds the role of Manipur Terriers. And MLA Joy Kishan condemns government over misconduct in voter identification process, offers to end his political career if ever found guilty of illegally creating vote bank. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur joined the nation in observing 70th Territorial Army Day today. State government organized the observance at the banquet hall of 1st Manipur Rifles. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren expressed happiness that Manipur has now become a peaceful state with the cooperation extended by Territorial Army, Manipur Police and the public. He stated that the 165th Infantry Battalion TA Home and Hearth Assam is the first and the only territorial army unit raised purely from the domicile of Manipur. He said the unit is affiliated to the Assam Regiment with 100% domicile of Manipur and hence they truly are the Manipur Terriers. Biren maintained that raising of the unit has given direction and opportunity for gainful employment of youths of Manipur. He applauded Manipur Terriers for becoming an inseparable part of the security setup of the state since its deployment in 2007. Deputy Chief Minister, ministers, MLAs, top officials of police, territorial army personnel and their families attended the event.
The Territorial Army Act 1948 was passed by the Indian Parliament, resulting in the constitution of the present Territorial Army. The Territorial Army, inaugurated by Sir C. Raj Gopalsari, the first Governor General of Free India, on this day 70 years ago in 1949. India's Territorial Army is active in numerous fields. It has infantry battalions, the Ecological Task Force, Railway Engineer Unit, the Oil Sector Unit, General Hospital and the Home and the Hearth Battalion, which are raised and deployed in the insurgency-affected states.
Thangweiban MLA Khomukcham Joy Kishan has offered to resign from his MLA post and leave his political career permanently if anyone can prove him guilty of illegally enlisting people in voter lists to win the last election. Speaking to media at his residence in Khoyathong today, MLA Joy Kishan claimed that the government continues to ignore complaints on various errors in the ongoing voter identification process. He maintained that such act of the government invites illegal influx of migrants in the state. Joy Kishan appeals to all the 60 state MLAs to join efforts to ensure proper voter identification process, keeping aside political differences. The Thangweiban MLA also expressed a disappointment that both people and the state government are not taking active measures against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill in the wake of affirmation by the BJP-led central government of certainly passing the bill in the parliament. Stating that CAB is a major threat to natives of Manipur and other northeast states, MLA Joy Kishan condemned that the state government is trying to pacify its citizens by assuring to urge the central leaders to add a special protective clause for Manipur.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯗꯨ ꯀꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ social organization mayamda yaukshallaga kal magi ihodu lana puramakanda magi political party ki pantungdo yaurakanda amu ihodu nathai halli bribese miyamna naina badarka lay aduna hujiksi lebak miyam makeup to badarka lay haying da ngari kep law thoni si loi khangnare ba khangnara khoi kedau lei ge khoi tummaga phamaga lebe kai da ka lay ge khoi housina kaino kedo yaroi duno honorable chief minister haibiu lebak ki miyamna thabuk to miyam haibiu haying da ei isa da ki voter list lana chalaba lana saidang halaba identify to sai kedo ngamui duno union government law sem bu kedo ngai duno ai isa gi leinara loire madura kedo ngamui duno.
MLA Joy Kishan also demanded the government to clarify why the 5 arrested staff of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, including the school founder, are kept at Jenim Security Ward instead of keeping them in the jail. He maintained that such conduct of the government shows that it supports those culprits who are involved in the mysterious death of a girl student of the school.
Dr. Kumbiova, तौरोएब आई चैलेंज तौरिसिनी ममांग दसु हॉस्पिटल दा लेरंबई हिस्ट्री थेंगनते अदुगा असुक कोइरबसे हॉस्पिटल दा अदुम लयु अरु हॉस्पिटल सिदा करी फियम दा लैदी कराम गुब लैनानो मसी अदुम इखंग खंगरा वफमने अदुनदी लैंगा असिना मिहार पसिगा मरी लेनबसे कनखनब होनै असेंगबु पुथोनब होनते सीबीआई दा सिनबदा लैंगा असिना की हाइबसे मसी तसेंग वफमनी
National Students Union of India NSUI Manipur organized a state-level mini-marathon today. The event was held to mark the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi on the theme Run for Peace, Unity and Progress. NSUI State President P. Bankim Chandra kicked off the marathon from Manipur University Gate till Dikangla Gate. Speaking to media, Bankim Chandra said that the event aimed to promote a healthy society.
Mini marathon sina akoina mayamda piningiba message sinjaribagi theme se akoi tangdu lai tadraba akoi gi ngasi gi samaj akoi gi kanglup phurup masen se akoi hujik yamna unstability ama lakpa akoi gi asigumba timing sida akoi gi sama ga yankairak suba Mahatma Gandhi gi mapok kumon gi mari leinana sigumba program se sillaga akoi gi society da amaga sports gi through da asigumba yamna phajaba wakhalon amada spirit amaga loinana अखोई यूनिटी अमसुंग पीस से सागत पंगम ननबा हाइदना अखोई ngasi program se organize tokjaba.
Proscribed Maoist Communist Party Manipur has warned of stringent actions against Lamlai Municipal Council. The party in a press release alleged that Lamlai Municipal Council has misappropriated funds sanctioned under PMAY Urban Housing Scheme for construction of houses and toilets in the area. The proscribed party claimed that it has evidence to prove that councillors and chairperson of the council, in collusion with some wealthy persons, have misappropriated the funds. The press release further said that comrade of the outfit, Achanglen Mangangcha, has been appointed as chairman in charge of the outfit. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you a special report on mushroom farmer Thaunawjam Nabachandra. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Mushroom farmer Thaunawjam Nabachandra is successfully producing varieties of mushroom spawn at Moirangpurel Integrated Farm, bringing a bright future for mushroom farmers of the state. Impact News reporter Bhakta Taurangbam and camera person Saikom Ruben bring you an exclusive report. With sheer hard work and dedication since 2015, Thaunawjam Nabachandra is now successfully producing varieties of mushrooms and mushroom spawn such as oyster, Sajor Kaju, Florida, Darjeeling oyster, paddy straw and bug mushrooms through tissue culture technique at Moirangpurel Integrated Farm. Two types of oyster mushrooms such as Elam and Ostritus are successfully produced on a commercial scale under his supervision. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Thaunawjam Nabachandra said that mushroom farming requires less efforts, land and money. Nabachandra said he took keen interest in mushroom cultivation in 2015 and since then he underwent various trainings on mushroom cultivation at Directorate of Mushroom Research Solan in Himachal Pradesh and at Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR Imphal. However, he faced major difficulties in procuring mushroom spawn in the beginning, which led him to carry out several studies and research to produce mushroom spawn in the state itself. Nabachandra said he, along with some educated, unemployed youths of the state, put in some serious efforts and finally succeeded in producing varieties of mushroom spawn at the farm.
Hꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯛꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯖꯔꯝꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯔꯖꯤꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯀꯧꯁꯜꯂꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯗꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯡꯒꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯕꯥꯒꯗꯣꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯪꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯐꯧ ꯃꯥꯡꯉꯤ ꯂꯦꯕꯔ ꯃꯥꯡꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯇꯕ ꯁꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯇꯕ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯊꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯇ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯗ ꯊꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄ.
Speaking to media, Mayang Langbam Surjit, who played spawn at the farm, said that in the beginning they faced various hurdles in producing the spawn through tissue culture, and they succeeded eventually with proper guidance and support from experts. Surjit welcomed those interested in taking up mushroom cultivation to visit the farm for necessary consultations.
Vision dia dum leiri hena bas oina aina training learning madam da khara challenge khara lagi ba ingonda kadai da kamai easily akoi accessible oi daba gumba dagi khangba ngam daba gumba adu khara lagi ba adu mayam do kana gumba horei ba music na akoi na harol singna khangning ba tamning lai tara jo koina moi koi most welcome tawri aduga tungna jo adum institute oina phajana koina large scale da na tara jo koina masagi support do bangam jana ba mong do damak de koina training gi damak de tawgena ju khanjay aduga loina na koi anuba species hojik market ta thanari ba phangi ba sina da ba to pa anuba species kam batara ga adu jo khana dum try tawgena.
8 employees work dedicatedly at Moirangpuril Integrated Farm, producing 10 to 15 kgs of mushrooms on a daily basis and 70 to 130 kg in a lucky month from 7 mushroom sheds, while 5-member team including one tissue culture expert is dedicatedly producing mushroom spawn through tissue culture technique at the farm. Nabachandra said unemployed youths of the state can earn generous income effortlessly by taking up mushroom cultivation. He also expressed his desire to upgrade Moirangpuril Integrated Farm to an institute dedicated to promote mass cultivation of mushrooms and mushroom spawn. Necessary assistance from the relevant authorities will definitely help Nabachandra to realize his dream.
Sarkaran thau piba ngam drigu akhoi ni isagi rom dom lesu ngam ne ba akhoi ni isagi humang mana sujer rom de toroga akhoi na sensor lambi puthok pa ya ba sarkar gi gi mateng natraga su haibo phum ji su lai re ai wakhal da du de sunatna akhoi gi isagi sinphum ji akhoi na piba ngam driba sinphum lai chaba mioi ba haiba ji mioi ji ni isagi pa ga tawri matam dem phatabi pak ta ai mayam ji matam se chanri ba ni sabu oro kari boro crime am thoro ma sa mayam oro ko mayam masida ai saruk yamdra su saruk sai manung ja saruk ama to su samaj sigi angang sing asi afaba lambi am na khong thang rakda mating khitang oigadra haibi wakhal su aingon khitang leijaba sibigi oina akhoi chingum keji medicine sinare haina adum takpiri mayam su la ko manga ko sa piba lei hai madu akhoi jadu ngamri yenge sine akhoi khajari akhoi angang sing mayam jigi power degi.
With input from Impact News reporter Bhakta Tarangbam and camera person Ruben Saikom, this is Joyce Chusha, Moirangpuril, Impact News.
Sajik Battalion of 28 Sector Assam Rifles donated solar lamps to 5 villages of Churachandpur district today. Assam Rifles presented the 44 solar lamps under its border area development program in an event held at Tuitam Kongkai under Sanakot subdivision. Chinese President Xi Jinping will be on a 2-day visit to India from 11th of this month for the second informal summit to be held at Chennai. Xi Jinping and Prime Minister Narendra Modi had their inaugural informal summit in Wuhan, China in April last year. An official release said the forthcoming Chennai informal summit will provide an opportunity for the two leaders to continue their discussions on overarching issues of bilateral, regional and global importance and to exchange views on deepening India-China closer development partnership. And in sports, Mary Kom has advanced to the quarterfinals of the World Women's Championships in 51-kilogram category at Ulan-Ude, Russia. The 36-year-old triumphed 5-0 against Thailand's Jutamas Zitpong. However, in the 75-kilogram category, there was a disappointment for India when former silver medalist Viti Bura lost her pre-quarterfinal bout in a split decision despite a valiant fight. Bura was up against second-seeded Welsh woman Lauren Price. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur joins the nation in observing 70th Raising Day of Territorial Army today. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren applauds the role of Manipur terriers. And MLA Joy Kishan condemns government over misconduct in voter identification process, offers to end his political career if ever found guilty of illegally creating voting banks.